Hey guys, it's John at Kritical Nutrition Cary. I'm excited to bring you another fruit protein smoothie today. So this will be mango, pineapple, strawberry bliss. We'll be using 8 ounces of unsweet almond milk with a scoop of the NutriBio Vanilla Classic Whey. You guys, I'm excited because we are getting Kritical Nutrition hats in very soon, probably within the next week. But I love my NutriBio hat. Thank you guys for that. So I'm going to go with half a cup each of mango and pineapple, and then about 6 whole strawberries. Yeah, make sure you get a good size handful of strawberries. About 6. Have a little bit more milk. Breakfast is served. It's Saturday today. We'll be here till 6 p.m. You guys, I hope you come through. Get the best protein smoothie you've ever had. Another critical smoothie. It's amazing, you guys. Just made the list. Stop by today and order one. It's a keeper. Love you guys. Look forward to hearing from you.